What's going on, guys? Today I'm tired, and that's not because I'm actually tired. It's because I got tires. Gavin decided to freaking show up at my house this morning and give me 2 freaking Hoosier tires. He's like, Poe, wake up, I need to drop something off. And he just freaking pulls these out of the Volvo. I'm like, what the heck? Tires are loaded up in the truck, and I'm going to head out and get these mugs mounted. All right, these boys are on there, and they are thick. Daggum! This car is gonna look so good once these things are on there. Oof, I cannot wait. Honestly, I really cannot wait. All right, guys, so I got my car up on the lift, and we're gonna put these bad dudes on there. Look how wide that is. Like, that's my hand. Look at that, that's my hand. So we're gonna slap them dudes on there. Still gonna run those tires because those are the skinniest tires I have and lightest. So those will be my front runners. Thank you. Switch to GoPro. All right, so we're gonna take this hoe off. Holy sh! I might need spacers. No f***ing way it fits.
Wait, it fits?
It fits.
Once the car goes down, it clears the inside. That's good.
This car is gonna be thick as fuck. All right, so with these lug nuts, these go inside of the wheel and fit around. Oh, this is gonna be painful.
Put it in there now. I wonder how many cars these wheels have been on.
Probably a lot.
Probably.
I bought them from a guy who bought them from a guy who bought them from a guy.
They're the neighborhood slot wheels.
It'll be a 19, most likely. Nope.
No, it's 21.
21.
21?
I'm very curious to see what this hoe's gonna look like.
That'll do.
That'll do. This is without adjusting the suspension. I also have completely adjustable suspension, so if it sits too low, I can raise it up.
It's gonna clear. I can see it right now. It's gonna be very close, but it's gonna clear.
No way.
You got plenty of room.
Dude, I'm gonna have the most traction.
You ever see Terminators, how they do the Terminator backs and they put like 345s on it?
That's what that looks like. I wanted to do wheelies. That's the setup I need. Yeah! All right, I guess we'll go lift it up to the other side. Don't have to change it.
You doing burnout when you put them on? Let's go in that cul-de-sac right there. There's no businesses right there.
All right, guys, so these things are thick. Look at that. Gavin was saying it looks like a full race car from like the back end. From here back is full drag car. And from here forward is V6 Mustang.
Stock drive shaft.
Stock everything. Oh my gosh. Let's put it down and see if it can't do a burnout.
Those bracket cars, that's exactly what this looks like. You need a big block carbureted engine now. And you would literally be every bracket racer that goes out to Point City.
It's insane.
The 26s are perfect for this car too.
She's thick. It's thicker than Rob.
Wow. We're gonna go ride and see if his car can do a burnout. I really just don't think this V6 is gonna be able to do it. You cozy? Yeah. I've never seen anything quite like this car here. Not gonna lie, this is interesting. Oh, got a little bit of rubbing going on. You gotta turn. Oh,
Forgot Harry was back there. My bad, dog.
how did you just get that in a second? I'm still confused.
It's just practice.
Are you short shifting it?
Yeah.
Turn around. No, don't do a shitty. Just turn around.
All ready? Go. I'm kind of scared.
It spun this one, or I mean the other one, but not this one. Really? There you go. There we go.
Are they sticky?
They're not hot enough, but I mean they're.
Oh, they're sticky.
Yeah, they're sticky. Try and do a test launch now. Just launch literally where you're at, right there. Hey, that actually for what he's got power-wise, that actually wasn't bad. No launches. Where are you going?
I'm not doing a launch. I'm doing a shitty.
No, not a shitty with us in the car. No.
Harry, can you hold on?
I'm holding.
No, bro. No. What are you doing, bro? Oh, no. No. Christ.
These ones are sticky.
Get me out.
It was easy? All right. So we're taking these off, and if you haven't guessed, I've been talking about this for the longest time, putting coilovers on my car. So I'm finally gonna be doing that. Now we're gonna take off these front wheels and then get ready to take off that shock, put on the coilover, and it should be super easy. All right, there's one side. All right, saving these bolts because I'm going to use these for the new coilovers. There we go. Now I can get all this stuff out. Awesome. All right, so now I got to take these guys out so that way the new shocks can bolt right in. 1, 2. Yeah.
Did you ever get that bolt out on your dirt bike?
No, that's what I was saying.
Bring that.
We tried literally everything to get that bolt out. So we're gonna try these new extractors.
I only had 5 last time. This has every size.
This hoe comes off, I'm gonna be really impressed. Supposed to hammer it on or just... No way. Are you serious? What? Is it Loctite or what?
It looks like anti-seized, but it's seized anyway.
Look at the head.
That's crazy.
You know how freaking hard it was? And that mug hooked right on it like it was nothing. That's crazy. I've been trying to get that bolt out forever. Golly. All right, well, that's worth every freaking cent in its weight in gold. All right, let's get back to doing the car. All right, since the rear coilovers did so well at the drag racing event last video, check that video up over there. It was freaking fun. We had all of us drive my car to see who could drive it the fastest. It was actually pretty crazy. The car is still a piece of junk. Bam, that goes there. Sweet, it's that simple to have coilovers on this car. Yeah! Okay, I made a mistake. I tried to put my coilovers on a car with springs. I'm used to having truck suspension where it's not a strut over spring. So I gotta pull this end link off so I can get this spring out. Then I'll be able to bolt the coilover up without any problems. Nope. Gotta watch that. All right, now I can pull this spring out in theory. All right, so I have upgraded to putting a spring compressor on my spring, which I don't know if that's an upgrade or if that's a downgrade. This thing could hop off and kill me at any second. You need to be careful with these spring compressors. Oh, I'm really scared. Oh boy. All right, I'm just gonna have to use another one. You have any steel gloves?
Steel gloves?
Gloves made out of steel that I can pick up this spring and not lose a finger.
I don't have any steel gloves.
I'll just go ahead and die. Oh, shit. Stop! What the f? The spring literally just came off the motherfucking compressor. Why are you doing that?
You were like, oh shit, the spring came off, oh fuck, I shit.
All right, let's try this again. All right, now I can tighten these hoses. Mother. What am I doing? This is the stupidest thing I think I've ever done.
Hey, your sticker works.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! We have a problem!
Careful is not even the word that I could even say.
Ew, how do you do it? When you do it, you do it. How do you do it when you like to do it? All right, I need a pry bar. Oh, got it. Got it. Sweet. The reason I'm only touching it with this pry bar is because that's a ticking time bomb. Any spring with the compressor on it is just a ticking time bomb. It's not gonna go that far.
Are you serious?
Oh my gosh, I don't think I was recording that whole time. That was, oh, that fucking sucks. All right, well, I got this coilover on. I thought I was recording, but apparently I wasn't. But there's the spring still compressed. You know, uncompress that. All right, so I got the coilovers up on front. All of them are ready to go. I'm gonna tighten all this coilover stuff down, but I need to see the ride height and see how it sits first. Then I'll be able to tighten it and adjust it. All right, guys, so I got the coilovers on the car. It looks amazing like always. My car looks great with these fat tires on it. Thank you, Gavin. Once I drive around, the coilovers will break in. Then I'll adjust the ride height in a few days, so that way the car will sit right the whole time and I don't have to adjust them twice. Until then, that makes a video. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Remember to freaking send it. Well, y'all thought I was done. I'm not. I don't know what to say. It literally was just on and doing burnouts, and now it won't start. All them mugs were loose. Every single one of them. What? Let me try that again. What? in the L. Okay, explain what just happened because I don't want to explain it because everyone's not going to believe me.
Oh, literally, he was like sitting here and he was like, well, my car won't start. Lifts the car up in the air, goes underneath the back, and he's like looking around. He looks under the engine, he goes and looks under the spare tire well, and he goes, huh. Plugs that in, that came unplugged somehow, lowers the car down, and it started it right up.
Well, the car starts now. If there's a problem, I just go straight to it and fix it.
Lifts his car in the air, looks underneath it, and looks around. Normally fine.
Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Have a good one. Remember to freaking send it.